Today we are going to be talking about pile, also known as hemorrhoids, and the natural remedy to tackle it. Hemorrhoids are swollen veins in your lower rectum. Internal hemorrhoids are normally painless, but tend to bleed. External hemorrhoids may cause pain. Hemorrhoids, also called piles, are swollen veins in your anus and lower rectum, just like varicose veins. Hemorrhoids are one of the most common causes of rectal bleeding. They regularly go away on their own. Treatments can also help. Symptoms of hemorrhoids. Internal hemorrhoids lie inside the rectum. You usually can't see or feel them, and they rarely cause discomfort. But straining or irritation when passing stool can cause painless bleeding during bowel movements. You might notice small amounts of bright red blood on your toilet tissue or in the toilet. A hemorrhoid to push through the anal opening, prolapsed or protruding hemorrhoid, resulting in pain and irritation. External hemorrhoids are under the skin around your anus, where there are many more pain-sensing nerves. Symptoms of external hemorrhoids include itching or irritation in your anal region, pain or discomfort swelling around your anus, bleeding. Thrombosed hemorrhoids. If blood pools in an external hemorrhoid and forms a clot, thrombus, it can result in severe pain, swelling, inflammation. A hard lump near your anus causes and risk factors of hemorrhoids. You may be more likely to get hemorrhoids if other family members, like your parents, had them. Pressure building up in your lower rectum can affect blood flow and make the veins there swell. That may happen from pushing during bowel movements, straining when you do something that's physically hard, like lifting something heavy, extra weight, like obesity, pregnancy, when your growing uterus presses on your veins. A diet low in fiber. Anal sex. People who stand or sit for long stretches of time are at greater risk, too. You may get them when you have constipation or diarrhea that doesn't clear up. Coughing, sneezing, and vomiting could make them worse. Hemorrhoids. Complications. Rarely, hemorrhoids could lead to problems such as skin tags. When the clot in a thrombosed hemorrhoid dissolves, you may have a bit of skin left over, which could get irritated. Anemia. You might lose too much blood if you have a hemorrhoid that lasts a long time and bleeds a lot. Infection. Some external hemorrhoids have sores that get infected. Strangulated hemorrhoid. Muscles can block the blood flow to a prolapsed hemorrhoid. This may be very painful. Now let's talk about the national remedy. If you suffer from piles, here is how you can tackle it at home. High fiber diet. Fiber helps soften your stool. Include lots of vegetables, fruits, whole grains and beans in your diet. Drink plenty of liquids. Have at least 2 to 2.5 liters of water or healthy fluids, like fruit juices, per day. Avoid refined food such as bakery products, as it may give you constipation. Avoid spicy and deep-fried food. 5 home remedies to cure piles. 1. Psyllium husk, isabgol. This is a local way to heal constipation. However, it is also a great way to cure piles. Have 2 teaspoons with warm water at night, suggests Lickheit. How does this help? Isabgol is a supplement that helps in increasing your fiber intake. Hence, they soften the stools, making it easier to pass. However, make sure you have loads of water after consuming this to avoid stomach cramping. 2. Aloe vera juice. On an empty stomach, have 30 milliliters of aloe vera juice in warm water. How does this help? The anti-inflammatory properties of aloe vera helps in soothing inflammation of hemorrhoids. 3. Wheatgrass juice. Having 30 milliliters in warm water on an empty stomach will be of great help. How does this help? This also helps in softening the stools, making it easier to pass. It is also helpful to cure constipation. 4. Soaked methy seeds. Have 2 teaspoons on an empty stomach. How does this help? Fenugreek seeds have a high amount of fiber in them. Having this not only cures piles but also helps in healing the inflammation caused by it. 5. Basil leaves. Consume 2 teaspoons each day in warm water. How does this help? Tulsi, basil leaves help in curing a lot of ailments. This is due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updates. Thank you.